Children, very good morning. How are you all? All of it are fine? Welcome to English class. Okay, so children, in the yesterday's class, what we studied? We studied about the I sound. Is it? Yes, words. And we read the words, we trace it and we write it. Is it? And we done the matching also. Picture with words. Is it? Yes. And I had given the reading homework. So everyone is doing reading homework. Okay, very good children. So everyone has to read it. So everyone knows to reading. Okay. So everyone has to practice daily. Every day you have to practice it. Reading with the spelling. So in the today's class also we'll write the English notebook in the 4 line. The I sound words. Okay. We'll write the I sound words. Okay. So everyone take out your 4-line English notebook. Take out a pencil and write here CW. And here write the I SUND sounds words. WORDS. So now what we are writing? The I sound words we are writing it. Is it? Yes. So when we are writing no, we have to spell the spelling. Then we have to read the words. Okay. Now write here. Put the numbers. B. First letter should be capital. B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. Next. F. Sorry, capital letters. F-I-B, fib. F-I-B, fib. R-I-B, rib. R-I-B, rib. D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. Next. H-I-D, hide. H-I-D, hide. Next. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Next. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. Next. M-I-D, mid. M-I-D, mid. Next. R-I-D, read. R-I-D, read. Next. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. D-I-G, dig. F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. G-I-G, jig. G-I-G, jig. J-I-G, jig. G-I-G, jig. W-I-G, wig. W-I-G, wig. D-I-M, dim. D-I-M, dim. H-I-M, him. H-I-M, him. Next, R-I-M, rim. R-I-M, rim. Okay, next write B-I-N, bean. B-I-N, bean. D-I-N, din. D-I-N, din. F-I-N, fin. F-I-N, fin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. D-I-P, dip. D-I-P, dip. H-I-P, hip. H-I-P, hip. R-I-P, rip. R-I-P, rip. Okay. So again turn the page. Next also write here. The I sound words. So next continue write. Number 27, 28. S-I-P, sip. S-I-P, sip. T-I-P, tip. T-I-P, tip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Next, L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. Next, B-I-T, bit. B-I-T, bit. Next, F-I-T, fit. F-I-T, fit. Next, K-I-T, kit. K-I-T, kit. Next, L-I-T, lit. L-I-T, lit. Next, P-I-T, pit. P-I-T, pit. Next, S I T. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Okay. So, these are what? The I sound words. Okay. So, with a spelling, you have to spell it. Then you have to write it, children. Okay. So, homework is what? Reading. Okay. Homework is reading, only reading, children. So, what you wrote in the classwork, no? The I sound words. You have to spell the spelling. Then you have to read the word. Okay? Yes. So, how many words I wrote in the classwork, no? That all words with a spelling, you have to learn it and be by heart. Okay? So, everyone do the reading homework. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.